Well, good day everybody. I had everything packed down there. My minus 35 degrees sleeping bag, my camping equipment, all that stuff. We were supposed to head out winter camping tonight, cut some wood with Aubery, but last minute change of plans. We got a snowstorm blowing in later this afternoon, which is going to give us 15 to 20 centimeters of snow. That combined with high wind warnings, and we're heading out back towards Cataract Creek in the backcountry where the roads are not maintained. It's going to hit like minus 20 tonight. There's a very real possibility that we would be trapped back in there. So we're just going to go out for the day to cut some wood, which is kind of sad. I had everything ready. The generator was ready. I bought all my gas, everything else ready to spend the night. But it's not going to happen. Tomcat. Holy, what was that? You're grounded. You're not allowed outside. Man, that sun is bright first thing in the morning, just entering the town of Nanton. This is where Aubery lives. It is a town stationed on Highway 2 South that I like to nickname the Highway of Death. And on your right coming up here is the Nanton Aviation Museum. They got a Lancaster bomber in there that they pull out every year, a couple times a year or whatever, and fire up the engine. It's pretty cool to check it out. Oh, the foothills are so beautiful. The rolling hills right before the mountains. All right, past this point here, the road is not maintained. I don't suspect it to be bad because we haven't had too much snow yet this year. If you guys remember last year's camping video, this is where me and Aubery came out. So if you watch that video, then watch this one, you'll see a lot of the same scenery, except in another video there's a lot more snow. But we're just getting into the mountains now. Off-roading in the Ford. Oh yeah. You need four-wheel drive in here for sure. Even in four-wheel drive, I can feel her spin out. See, that's what I'm talking about. This road right here is like with that snowstorm coming in, 20 centimeters of snow and high winds, we would be trapped in here because the snow drifts here would be so deep, it would take us a long time to dig our way out. Because in the mountains here, anybody who lives near the mountains or has lived in the mountains knows the weather changes so quickly and it just gets nasty here. There's one guy out there, I don't know if he's hunting, maybe he's collecting wood too, who knows. This is a pretty interesting little trail or road. This might be the spot where we're stopping because Aubery is pulling over. 10-4. Where is it? All the wood's in there? Man, this is nice here, eh? I had to lock her in 4x4 on this frickin' road. It's pretty slick.
Yeah, the campsite's just another kilometer up the road.
Oh, I just finished putting some oil in her and some gasoline. Now we're ready to go find some trees. Let's get this thing started up. did bring tools to tune it, but got it running a little rich now. So just let her run for a bit, see how it does, and take it from there. Some people out here shooting guns. Hauling these out. Oh, the best thing about dead wood is that it's so light to hike out of the bush. Good spot, Aubery. All right there by the truck, so not far to load it up. Good stuff here too, and it's right close to the road. Yeah, 3 logs I cut up into firewood sized pieces. I'll chop them up when I get home. The full logs I'll put in the trailer so I can continue tuning the Husqvarna. I just gotta get it to idle. Here we go, off-road and Aubery style. I see where he's going. Look, this spot's all right, eh?
Fucking nice. It's too bad the creek's frozen over.
Man, this would have been an epic spot to camp tonight.
Table there.
Yeah.
Fire pit's right here.
Picnic table there.
Yeah.
Is it safe to sit on though?
Oh yeah, I sat on it when I was here. I sit on it here.
Yeah.
I burnt my finger in that propane.
Oh.
Fucking right. Fucking hurts.
Clean off the Ebola off the old grill.
Yeah.
And have some smokies, some chips. Got some beers in the fridge there, cooling off. I think I would have set my tent up right in here.
I would have probably up ready under the trees there. I would put a tarp around it.
Yeah.
Keep the wind away.
I would have had my generator up over there.
My extension cord plugged in over there, over here.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to plan another trip when it gets warmer. Oh, it looks like there's a pile of wood here underneath the snow.
Some bricks.
Oh, it's bricks?
Oh, there's, I don't know, some bricks and a chunk of wood, just a big rock, I think. Might have used that for a table or something. I don't know.
Fuck, are they burning, Aubery? What's going on?
Let's check them out.
You're the chef.
No, oh, they're not burning. They're just hot. They're cooking just nicely.
The creek's frozen over, so this would be nice to have a sled or a quad just go ripping up. Could put on some miles and just see where exactly it goes. Fuck, it's getting cold here. We're kind of in the valley, so the sun isn't shining down on us here. I think it's almost motherfucking beer time, man. Get the hell out of here. Supposed to get down to -20 tonight. Then I'll have a fire when I get home and unpack all this wood. It's gonna be motherfucking beer time. What does Aubery got here? 1 pint of fucking...
Sierra Nevada.
Is it just pale ale?
Pale ale, yeah.
1 pint. I don't know, man. Label's probably nicer than what the beer is.
Sample it.
Oh, fuck it. It's too late now.
Well, here's the freezing.
Yeah. All right, motherfucking beer time, everybody.
Beer time. Happy New Year.
For us, by the time you guys watch this video, won't be.
No.
That's not too bad. I don't mind that. I'll give you the shits in the morning for sure. All right, we're back in the truck. I got full heat on. And I am like frozen. What is the temperature right now? Oh, that's lying. It's not 5 degrees. It's like -15. I don't know why that thing's lying. All right. Gotta give her fucking shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. One more little hill. Fucking right. I'll get Aubery coming up. Oh yeah, here comes Aubery. Just gotta get up those 2 little hills. Alright, coming up to the main road. Can kick out a 4-wheel drive now. The storm is already moving in. When we left the mountains, it was still nice out, and you can see right here the highways are starting to get covered, and we're going to be nearing whiteout conditions probably within an hour. Visibility is getting worse as I continue the way home. I think I'm about 15 minutes away from home now. And this is supposed to continue for the whole night too. Like I was saying earlier, that stretch of road, we're 3 kilometers from the main road where we had planned to go camping. With this system that's coming in right now, I think we'd be trapped. It would be a hard push to get out, especially with the wind that's supposed to come later. It would be brutal. Just finished unloading all the wood. That snow is really starting to come down now. Still may have a fire tonight. I put the logs from earlier in the back of the trailer to cut up later. Stacked all the dry wood in the front. This is gonna be split. Those top layers right there is dry wood, stuff underneath, still a little bit wet, so time I burn this, time I burn that, and that, all those rows behind hopefully will be dry. Just getting the fire going with the wood I cut down today. There we go, it's starting to go now. Oh, finally get some nice heat coming off there. Time for a motherfucking beer. Venture Pilsner from Justin Fish. Motherfucking beer time. Cheers. Oh yeah. That light makes a huge difference actually. It's brighter than hell though.